In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Fortnite servers not responding message. Let's get started. First, you want to check if the issue is a global outage. To do this, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website status.epicgames.com. Once you're in this page, click on this plus icon for Fortnite. If everything shows operational, then the servers are working fine. If the issue is not a global outage, then the problem is likely on a device or the network. In that case, search for command prompt. Now click on the option Run as Administrator. Now here you'll need to type in the command prompt ipconfig /register DNS and press enter. This will reset DNS commands. Now what you want to do is type in another command prompt native int ip set DNS and press enter. And lastly you'll need to type in native windchock reset, then press enter. After running these commands, close the window and restart your computer. This will refresh your network settings and often fix the servers not responding error in Fortnite, so you can get back into the game smoothly. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.